Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock some Angry Birds World for the iPhone or iPod Touch, the latest one. You guys probably seen some videos for Android phones or things like that, but you can actually do it for this one. So you open up, I'm gonna show you my Angry Birds. This is the first world. I haven't completed anything, and I got everything else unlocked except for these two, which I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So it's really simple. Go to one of the levels you haven't unlocked yet, just leave it like this and get out. Press the out button, and now double click it so you can get this screen, and hold Angry Birds and just turn it off, like close it. Alright, now you're just gonna open Angry Birds again and leave your finger on it, and once you start seeing those screens, just keep on tapping it, and there you go, you're in. And basically, if you wanna just save this world and keep on going, just gotta complete the first level. This is actually my first time seeing this level. Hey, so you just gotta, it's just gonna be hard. Complete it with all stars. Ah, damn it. I suck. Come on. It's actually hard. One more. Whatever. Anyways, it works. Once you finish this level, you'll have it saved. But right now it's luck because I didn't complete it. But that's what I did for the other three. So go ahead, try it out. If you get stuck, just comment and let me know. I'll help you out.